Hello everyone and welcome to January 5, 2021, the first trades for 2021. Yeah, and you can see BTWN. It's looking it's looking interesting. And I'm kind of looking for the reversal, joining the short. It's already 7% down, and I think there is a lot of space to go here. And I'm trying to see what this candle will do, because that will going to be decided or decide what I'm going to do with this trade. I want to enter just below it. I'm going to prepare everything, which is the stop and the partials. Okay, just setting it up. If it's going to break up the half number, I'm going to cancel this trade. I'm just waiting to see where it's going. Okay, and that's bad. Okay, so that's not a trade I'm going to take. Let me cancel all the commands. Okay, so I don't like how it's going. I'm going to let it run. If it's going to reach like the 40 and then kind of pull back to the view up, I will look at the view up. Yeah, just like that. I want to see if it's gonna break it down. If it is, I want to go short under the view up. So basically the view up will be my entrance. Just a few cents over what I originally planned, but that's a good place to be in my eyes. You can see the 5 minutes becoming more and more um, reliable for me in my direction. I just entered. Okay, so it's about 20 cents stop. I need to reach the 13 round number, and 1340 is my stop. That shouldn't happen. What are you doing? It's the wrong direction. Okay, if it's going up again after this red candle, it's going to run up, and I need to drop the trade. It's going to cost me the risk level, but it's going to cost me only the risk level. But it might be just a test up for the view up again. And if that's the case, you should see like a long tail. And that's starting to be not the case. There is around 40 cents, 40 seconds for the 2 minutes trend candle to build up. 40 seconds, yeah, I'm out. And you can see that it's building up. Yeah. So it didn't go as I planned. It's still walking there, which is showing me that it played me, took my money, but it's building up, which I would not take, 7% down stock. That doesn't show that it's just a mistake and it's building up. So I'm good with the exit. It was the right one. And if I'm summarize this trade, it did fool me. It cost me $60. And if I'm looking at the end of the day for this trade, it just ran as crazy. And then I enter the second trade for the day. Again, as I said, I'm changing the rhythm of what I'm doing. And I'm looking at Mana, mRNA, looking for the 5 minutes. Yeah, it's looking good. I want to see it going down a bit more up to the view up so I can enter. I'm waiting. I have time. I'm not pushing this trade. It's going down. If it's kind of continuing up, which is the base that you're seeing, if it's breaking this base, I will join up. Just because it's not that far away from the view up, and it's an amazing basically it looks like it's going up. It kind of test up. It did a reversal. It did a second reversal, which is kind of strong. And I don't. Yeah, the 5 minutes looks bad now. I don't know what the 2 minutes is going to do. So I'm going to wait a bit more before I'm going to enter a trade. I'm trying not to push. If it's going to reach what I want it to reach, I will take it. If not, I'm going to leave it. I don't have to take second trades or even the first trade for that matter. If it's a good trade, I will take it. If it's not, I'm going to drop it. That's kind of situation here. Yeah, and there it's going down, which is good. I want it to go down. It should go down till the view up at least, and then it should baste or jump back, one of the two. But if it's not going to do that, that would be a bad sign. If it's going to crash, completely crash, not just few cents the view up, it might be the end of the day for this stock, and I will leave it to someone else that want to gamble. Come on. And then my alarm just turn on for Mar. And that's the view up. And that's the candle. See that it's holding. Few more seconds. I want this candle to end. Just to see a direction. Come on. The time pass and leave us off just in that case. Look at the 15 minutes. Look at the daily. This stock should go up. I don't know if it's going up or not, but it should have gone up. And that kind of the mark for me. I like the tail that it left. I want to enter over it. It's a short stop again. But there is a huge potential here if I can take it. Okay, it's still playing. but it's playing in the long position, which is good for me. I'm just entered. Now I need to see the stock started to run. Didn't do that yet. Come on, where is the momentum? Don't do what you did in the other trades. I need to see the volume. I need to see the movement started. I don't see that yet, and that's kind of disappointing. Still kind of undecided if it's going to run or not. But the volume is starting to increase, and that was a jump that it's not too good for me. Come on. Okay, yes, that's the one. Can I get it? Can I get partial one? I did got partial one. Amazing. Now I need to see this stock continues. Just set up my stop to be on basically my entrance. Come on. You can continue up. Come on. That's not the new high that I wanted. That's a long tail that doesn't go in my direction. Because I'm moving my stop to be on the entrance, there is not a lot of space for the stock to move. But I'm trying to keep the money in my pocket, so it is what it is. Yeah, that's the one. Kind of stop here. And I'm out. That's a disappointment, but that's the rules I'm playing now. So the stop kind of killed my potentials and potential, and I finished with $11, and you can see what I could have done, which is disappointment. So that's about all, guys. Thank you for watching. Join me by comment and subscribe, and see you in the next one.